let's get going, guys. So on my way to Manali, to GB. So I'm good to go, all loaded up. I'm just gonna stop quickly on the way to grease the chain. So there is a lot of mechanics here. I'm gonna go to one of them to spray the chain a little bit, and then I'm on my way. Momo's Cafe. Don't forget to come and check out that place, guys. Big head. The highway. There was a huge tunnel after Bunta. At the end of the tunnel I had to take a left, and now it's all about small winding road, and it's actually two ways, but as you can see it's quite narrow, so it's a bit dangerous. Gotta take it easy really, especially in bends like that. See? Beautiful. To a small village. I'm not sure where I am now. Need to be careful as well because the road is a bit tricky. Okay, so yeah, Banjar. Let's keep going. Blue Ship Cafe?
यहाँ नीचे फ्रेंड्स कैफे है, ब्लू शिप कैफे यहाँ नीचे
है। Closed?
ये क्लोज है, ब्लू शिप कैफे
ओपन
है, वो ओपन है।
Blue Ship Cafe? Okay.
हाँ, आप ये
Blue Ship this way?
हाँ, पैदल यहाँ से नीचे।
This way?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है। धन्यवाद। Look at that, guys. Look how chill that place is. I just made it here in this. It's a little bit dark. There you go, that's better. See how pretty it is? It's a beautiful place. I just found a bit randomly. I was riding in that last village and I started to be a little tired, and I wanted to take a break, and I come across the place here, and there's a nice cafe up there. And I'm gonna spend the night in the dorm because the private room was too expensive. It was like 3,000 something. So I went for the dorm. It's only 4 people, so hopefully no jumbo jet next to me this time. Really impressed with the place, honestly. And you see there's flowers. It's really beautiful. So the place is called Blue Sheep Hostel, and it's a little bit before GB, maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes. I think GB is just down this way. I need to keep going on the road. So I'll stay here tonight. I might explore a little bit the village tonight, grab some food, and tomorrow I'll go back on the road and get going. So How pretty is that? It's a beautiful view on the hills. So that's, as you know, that's the place. A little bit further down this path is the place I was staying. I stayed last night. I'll stay again tonight because I've got some work to do today. So, but now I'm gonna go around a little bit. So I made it to downtown. You see there's a lot of small shops. It's very peaceful, very quiet. They're selling some pakoras. And now I'm in the barbershop. I'm from France. Mais France, c'est home. Take it. Kahan, c'est home? From here, this village.
Banjar.
Take it. Okay, brother.
Okay.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Himraj.
हाँ?
Himraj.
निमराज.
Himraj.
निमराज. आपसे मैं क्या अच्छा लगा?
अच्छा लगा, हमें भी अच्छा लगा।
मेरा नाम पियर.
क्या नाम है?
Pierre. Pierre.
Pierre.
Yeah. French name. Yeah.
French name.
Yes. And you? What's your name?
Manu.
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 Yes.
Himachali song.
Himachali song.
Yes.
Yes.
Himachali song. Yes.
So you see, that's how things are done here. You entertain the client with good music.
Yeah.
It's a barbershop / nightclub. You always finish by a nice head massage. So it's a very good deal. And he cut me very well. Great haircut, a nice massage, and everything for 60, which is a hell of a bargain, to be honest. Less than $1. And he's a very nice guy, and we listen to good music. So local Himachali singer, yeah, exactly. Great deal. So much cheaper than in the cities. Oh, I'm in heaven now. Whoa. I'm gonna fall asleep. Fantastic. Okay. Number one barber. Oh, what a service, guys. He's doing great. Fantastic, man. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. And thank you to you as well. Honestly, guys. And for 60 rupees, like, what a bargain. I call it a steal. Actually, I'm going. Okay? Keep change. No, keep change. Yeah. Keep. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. You are the best. Yeah. By the way, this little village I'm in, lost in the Himachali hills, is called Banjar. It's if you look it up online, Banjar is roughly I don't know, 20 minutes north of GB. So GB, from what I understood, that's where I'm gonna go tomorrow morning. I mean, I might just drive past. I heard it's beautiful, but I'm not sure what to do. I heard there is a nice waterfall, so I might just go and check it out. But yeah, otherwise I might just keep riding. See, weed is really growing everywhere here. Taking a little hike with a bunch of the people staying at the same guest house as me. They're all local tourists from different from different parts of India. Sam with long hair is from Rajasthan. Then this guy is from Mumbai. I forgot the name already. I'm so terrible at names. Anyway, we taking a quick hike, going to a pool. Apparently there's a nice little pool not far from here. It's actually a pretty cool view on the river, and we've got stairs. That's a bit of a luxury. Wow, it's pretty rough, eh? Are you sure it's this way?
Yeah.
Come on, doggy. Come on. You can tell he's not really comfortable. How pretty. Wow. It's amazing. really amazing. You made it, bro. Well done. So let's get going. Yeah, I mean, Himalayas are a very good environment for them to grow, I guess.
Yeah.
That's why they grow all over the place. See, again here. Yeah. They really grow like everywhere. It's crazy. It's called weed for a reason, you know. That's it. See, we made it to the pool, guys. It's pretty cool, eh? The water is super nice as well. You see, you can probably jump from the rocks. Oh man, this is such a cool place. Himachal is really amazing. Very impressed so far with everything I saw. See how cute is that with the little bridge down there. What do you think, bro? It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah. So let's go and taste the water, as they say. See if we can go for a cheeky little dip. Fuck, it is cold. Oh, Jesus Christ, it is f***ing cold. Oh, how do you do it, Pete? It's too cold.
Yeah?
I'm gonna lose my balls if I get in here.
No, man. Once you are in, no?
Fucking hate you.
You won't feel it. I mean,
Yeah?
your body will get kind of accustomed
Yeah,
to
she
it.
looks like, you know, nothing is happening. This is so nice.
It's just a mind block.
Oh, it feels good though. Fuck, wakes up a dead person, bro. So we have Sam, the rock jumper. I hope it doesn't break a leg, because I don't know how you can get there really. I don't think you can, maybe from behind.
No, there are some photos.
Oh, people were jumping from here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool. So the water was pretty chill. I lost one ball somewhere. I said I lost one ball somewhere. That's how cold it is. It's not really cold for you, it was easy for you.
I also went to the small pool.
Oh yeah, the other pool, eh?
And I'm used to swim in a cold water.
Yeah. Because you never pay the hot water bill.
No, there is one river near my house where we
Yeah.
go swimming every weekend. Right?
Where are you from?
Pune.
Oh, Pune.
Yeah.
You're from
he's
Pune
from
too.
Pune. So
Oh,
we go
that's
every
cool.
weekend for swimming. So
So-
that's why I don't feel like.
Okay. I don't know what's the temperature really. Maybe, I don't know, 13, 14 maybe degrees, something like that. Oh, Sam made it there.
Jump!
Triple backflip, at least. Yeah.
Hello.
Someone else is joining. Yes.
Oh, I missed it!
Okay, guys, headed back to the hostel after a cool little hike to the pools just down there. So that was a little vlog on Banjar, guys. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next episode very soon. Take care and ride safe.